Good morning, beautiful people. Hope you are doing good. So today we are learning how to make beautiful head wraps without a sewing machine. You can do this in your house. You don't need to be using boring turbans. Yeah. So we are going to make beautiful headpiece. So watch me. Now all we need is our material, a thread, your pins. You need office pin, then you need a safety pin, then any beautification item of your choice. So let's go. So this is a small piece of material that I have from a cloth that was made. Rather than using this material as my hair tie just like that, so I make it beautiful. Now all we have to do, you fold your material into two, then watch me, you locate the middle. Just locate the middle. Even if you're not a professional, you can do this at home. You locate the middle and gather it together. You should have something like this. Okay, now we have our thread. You just hold it, secure it at that middle. You secure it, just secure it firmly. Hope you understand. You secure it firmly. Now I've secured it firmly. Now the next thing you're going to do, so you should have something like this, a butterfly kind of. So now what you are going to do, from this place you take it like this again. You're going to have something like this, a four-mounted butterfly. You're going to have something like this. So you also secure it at the middle. You secure it at the middle. You secure it at the middle. Secure it firmly. Then you also tie it so that it doesn't get off. You secure it firmly. So you cut out your excess thread. Now you have something like this. Wow, as you can see, you have something like this. This is so quick to achieve. So because it's something you just want to rock on a special day, you make it neat. Now this is where we'll be needing our pins. Now remember, you can do this without a sewing machine. Now this is where we need our pins. You just hold it with your pin, with your office pin. You just hold with your pin. You hold with your pin, you hold it just to cover those rough edges. But if it's sewn, if it was secured at the edges, you really do not need to hold it. So you just hold it with your pin. You just pin it from the back. You just pin it from the back. You pin. You just pin. You just pin. Now you can, depends on the size you want, you can Now we have something like this. You can see. You can see. Ensure you secure it properly so that it doesn't go off. Mm? You can make it bigger. It depends on how you want it. If you want it bigger, you use a better material. Use a bigger material, sorry. Still trying to secure it. I'm still trying to secure it. So you ensure that it's properly secured. You can see what we have. This is what we have. Now the next thing to do is to attach our any beautification item that you have. If you don't have, you can still use it like this. So I have a red roses. Let me use red since I already have one with silver. So this is the red. You just pin it to your you just pin it to it. So you have something like this. You can see how beautiful it is. You can see. So this, you can see how beautiful it is. So the last thing for us to do is to attach it to our plain turban. This is a black turban that I have. So you attach using your office pin or using your safety pin. So let's do it with the safety pin. So you just pin it, and that's basically all. So this is how it's looking. Okay, so this is the final look. So this is the finished look. Please like and subscribe to our page. God bless you. Thank you for watching.